Here I've got UMIDIGI One Pro, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select System. Now go to the Languages and Input, and here click on Languages. Now by tapping on Add a Language, you can come along with all possible options. So here you've got all languages that you can apply. So smoothly choose the one that you would like to have. And let me pick, for example, Portuguese. Then select the region and slide it up to the first place to make it the default language. And as you can see, from now on your device is in Portuguese, so everything is changed, the icons, settings, everything. So let me refresh it. And now if you'd like to change it again or go back to English, just pick Settings again, go to System, select Languages and Input, go to the Languages, and now you can either slide English up or remove it by tapping on three dots icon, tap on Remove, select it, and then tap on Bin icon. Confirm that you would like to delete this language by tapping on OK. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in English. So that would be all. That's how you can smoothly and easily change language in your device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.